Okay, here we have the RYOBI bladder that's for the battery operated pressure washer. As you can see, it's pretty hard to fill. You can imagine mucking around with this little thing, and for some reason they decided to put a tap underneath. How convenient. And it's very unstable, so you can't sort of put it anywhere without the thing falling over. So what we've done, this is a 25 litre container, and you see the bung hole, and what we're going to do is put a tap like this in. You can get it on any hardware. It's an on and off tap, I think for irrigation, but it fits straight into the bung of the container. I'll put a bit of plumber's tape around it so it goes on tightly, like that. Just line everything up, and it's right to go, on off. So as you can see, that we put the hose, we took it from there and attached it to the tap we put in the container using a Ulux clamp to clamp it up off on. And well, I suppose that's about it.